I would like to give a little bit of a heads up for our friends across Vietnam because what we're looking at is this tropical wave that we saw move across the Philippines the last few days. It increased rainfall for southern areas of the country, and now it's moving towards the west. But at the same time, the Amihan, the next cold surge, is moving in from the north, and that interaction is going to be setting up some heavy rainfall here, especially for places like Da Nang there, really all across central areas of Vietnam. Da Nang South specifically, as this moves on shore, and it's just right along that interaction, that line right between there. In fact, take a look at this. This is a precipitation outlook from the ECMWF as we go ahead through Saturday into Sunday, and then it just continues. And in fact, this goes on for a few days. You continue to see this interaction with the northeast monsoon and just the overall cold surge interacting with those tropical easterlies. And this is not the thing is, and we're worried about me in a situation like this, it's not a super typhoon by any means. It's not a something that's going to make a lot of international headlines, but it is going to bring some flooding, especially for these areas where, look at this, next 5 days, over 500 to 600 millimeters on already saturated grounds. That is going to be absolutely incredible amount of rainfall. So our friends, if you are anywhere in these areas in red, let me know in the comment section down below. I would like to hear from you. And I just got to stress, this is one of those setups where it absolutely is not going to make the headlines as far as like, here comes a big bad storm type deal, but it is going to be a prolonged nature with a training effect, one round of rain after another due to the interaction with the Amihan, also known as that northeast monsoon here. Actually, I think I pronounced Amihan. There we go. Northeast monsoon in the Philippines. And that interaction is going to create that threat of flooding here. So make sure you're staying safe, being smart with this, and listen to authorities if they're asking you to evacuate. But definitely a really potent, serious storm system for our friends out here in Vietnam.